Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer Instagram Reels to TikTok. Want to repost your Instagram Reel on TikTok? In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your Instagram Reels to TikTok without a watermark in just a few simple steps. The first step is to download your Instagram app, Reel. And to do that, just open Instagram and go to your profile picture. As you can see, I'm using a tablet, so it's the option, the profile picture is on the left side. But if you're using a mobile version, the profile picture will be on the bottom right. Now I'm gonna select the reel I want to transfer, and then here I'm gonna click on share button, the share button, and then I'm gonna click on download here, and the reel will be downloaded. Now after the reel is saved on your device, remove the Instagram app if watermark if needed, and if you download the reel from Instagram archive, it may have a watermark. You can use tools like Snaptic or Repost app to remove it. Third step is to upload to TikTok, and to do that, just open the TikTok app, and if you don't have the TikTok app, you can easily download this via your Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using. And after you open TikTok, just tap on the plus button and select the saved reel from your gallery, then trim the video if needed. And for the last and final step, add TikTok features, and this step is optional. You can add new captions, stickers or music to match TikTok style, and click on next and write a caption and add hashtags, and finally tap post to publish your reels as a TikTok. And now you know how to transfer Instagram Reels to TikTok easily. Follow these steps to repurpose content and reach a new audience. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.